Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how do you use the spot healing brush tool. You can see that in the picture here when you want to remove something, you just click on there and then it will be removed. Let's try it. File, open. Here I want to remove all the pimples from this face and also the mole on the neck. So let's use the spot healing brush tool. Click on the spot healing brush tool. I select now. I put my cursor over the mole and I click it. You can see that the mole is disappeared now. Same like I will do each pimples on her face. You can see that all pimples is removed now. Let's try again with another image. This time I'm gonna remove these black dots from the apple. I have already selected the healing tool, so no need to select it again. I put the cursor over the black tool and click it. You can see that once I click it, it's disappeared. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Thank you.